Hey everyone, welcome back. So remember WAN 2.1? That open source AI model that had the whole community buzzing because it could generate videos with surprising quality? Well, it just got a massive upgrade. WAN 2.2 is here, and it's not just better. It's aiming to crush the competition, including the big closed source names like Seedance and Kling. Let's dive into why this release is such a big deal. WAN 2.1 was impressive, but WAN 2.2? It's in a completely different league. The moment it launched, the open source community exploded. Within 24 hours, it had over 1,500 stars on GitHub, and for good reason. It's 100% open source under the Apache 2.0 license. That means it's free for everyone to use, even commercially. But what really makes it special is what's under the hood. WAN 2.2 is the world's first open source video model with a mixture of experts, MOE architecture. That's a fancy way of saying it's smarter, faster, and more efficient than anything we've seen from the open community. Okay, let's see what it can actually do. To explore WAN, we can just go with a simple Google search and log in with your Google account. Once we're inside, let's just go to the Explore tab, where we can see videos created by other people. If there's anything that particularly catches your liking, you can click on that video, and you can copy their prompt and later adjust it on your own. One user-generated clip shows a woman, a mother, gazing at a passing train. The camera pans in dramatically, perfectly showing the deep emotion on her face. It looks like something out of a professional film. Another scene? Take a look at this video of a couple walking under an umbrella. The characters are acting very naturally, and the background vehicle movements are smooth and realistic. And here, let's check out some official clips posted from Alibaba's channel. Wow, they look super cinematic. I know that cherry-picked examples aren't everything, but it's clear that WAN 2.2 is a massive upgrade from the previous version. That's great news for the open source community. And that weird uncanny valley look some AI videos have, gone. But WAN 2.2 isn't just about realism, it's also wildly creative. Look at this video. The woman is holding a hose from which colorful flowers are being sprayed. These aren't just silly prompts, these are serious tests of whether a model understands how things should move. And WAN 2.2 nails it every time. So how does it stack up against the best? Using a new benchmark called WAN Bench 2.0, WAN 2.2 was put up against some heavy hitters like Sora, Kling, and Seedance, and the results are impressive.
WAN 2.2 takes the lead in 4 out of 6 key categories: aesthetic quality, motion realism, camera control, text rendering accuracy.
The only areas where it didn't come out on top were raw video fidelity and object accuracy, which are still led by Seedance and Kling. But winning 4 out of 6, that's domination. And it proves WAN 2.2 isn't just an open source model. It's a serious player. What makes WAN 2.2 so powerful? 2 things. 1, the architecture. It uses mixture of experts. That means instead of one big model doing everything, it has specialist experts. One handles broad strokes, like animation and movement. Another adds detail, lighting, textures, and realism. 2, the data. It was trained on 83% more videos and 65% more images than before. And not just random stuff. Carefully labeled content with metadata on lighting, composition, and even color theory. That's why it feels like it gets cinematic language. Now here's the best part. You don't need a monster PC to use this. While the full-size 14B models prefer GPUs with 80 GB of VRAM, like an H100, there's also a 5 billion parameter hybrid model, and it runs on just 8 GB of VRAM. That's right, even people with a mid-range GPU can now create stunning 720p AI videos, text-to-video, or image-to-video. This hybrid model might be smaller, but it still delivers beautiful, detailed results. That's accessibility done right. All right, enough theory. Let's see if WAN 2.2 really lives up to the hype. We've seen the benchmarks, we've seen the cherry-picked samples. Now it's time for a hands-on test. When you log into the WAN website, you get rewarded with 10 free credits daily. That's more than enough to try out a few prompts with acceleration before even considering any kind of local install. Let's upload this image I have and type in the prompt. The girl is jumping happily in the forest. And hit generate. And here we are. Well, that indeed looks great to me. The movements seem natural enough, but honestly, I don't think it's still able to surpass Google's VEO3 yet. So what do you think? Are you excited to try it? Have you already tested it out? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this breakdown helpful, consider hitting like and subscribing to AI with TechSnap. I'll be back soon with more updates from the wild world of AI. Catch you in the next one.